So let us start our class. So till question number 12 we have completed of the first exercise. So 13 and 14 left. So let us start with question number 13. So 13, if a to the power L is equal to b to the power m is equal to c to the power n is equal to d to the power p, then show that log of bcd to the base a equal to L into this. Okay. So given, you write at first number 13, given a to the power L is equal to b to the power m is equal to c to the power n is equal to d to the power p. So this is given. Now you see, whatever you have to prove, the left hand side you see log of bcd to the base a, log of what? bcd to the base a. The base is a, okay. See, the base is a, and over here what is there? bcd, different variables, like, okay. So we will write b in terms of a, c in terms of a, d in terms of a, in terms of the base, whatever it is the base. Since the base is a, so we will write everything, that is b, c and d, in terms of the base. Understood? If the base would have been b, say if the base would have been c, then we would have written everything in respect of what? C. Understood? But since over here the base is a, so we will write b also in terms of a, c also in terms of a, and d also in terms of a. So if the question also comes different, okay, then also you have to understand that whatever is the base, by that way I will have to proceed. Okay. So now you see what I will do. Now I can say that b to the power m will be equal to what? A to the power L. All are equal, right? So I have taken this first two, but I have written b on the left hand side because I am going to find out the value of b in terms of a. So b I have written in the left side. Okay. So this is no problem. You can write a also in the front side. So now you see, I need the what? Value of b. Okay. So what I will do, I need to cancel this m. I need to cancel this m. Okay. So what I have so what power I have brought? To the power 1 by m. So in right hand side also I have to bring what? To the power 1 by m. The same power we can cancel, isn't it? A square equal to b square. So what we write? A equal to b, isn't it? So same power you can bring also. So we have brought what? 1 by m this side. Understood? So now you see, so which implies b m into 1 by m, a L into what? 1 by m, which implies cancel, what will remain? B will remain, and over here b will be equal to what? A to the power L. So in this way, what I will get? C to the power n will also be equal to A to the power L. So which implies C will be equal to what? A to the power L by m. Okay, sorry, not L. A to the power L by m. And over here what? L by n. Shortcut you do. This one I have just shown you in the exam. You can write directly that much. Okay. L by n. Okay. And next is what? D to the power P will be equal to A to the power L. So which implies D will be equal to A to the power L by P. So we have got this one. Okay. This value. D is what? A to the power L by M. Okay. So now LHS. Now left hand side. So LHS, what is given? Log of BCD to the base a. Log of BCD to the base a, which is equal to log of a. What is the value of b? A to the power L by m into c, A to the power L by n into d, A to the power L by p. So substitute all the values. Understood why I have written everything in respect of a? Because the base is also what? A. That's why. Okay. So now equal to log of a, base same, and into it is there. So power will get what? Added up. So a to the power L by m plus L by n plus L by p. Understood? This is what? This is the power. Now this power will come front, that is L by m plus L by N plus L by P, and then what? Log of A base A. Log of A base A is 1. So what will remain? So this is the answer. Okay, they have taken out L. So you take L common over here. You take L common. Then what you will get? 1 by M, 1 by N, 1 by P. This is your what? This is your right hand side and hence your proof. Understood? Since the base is A, so find the value of BCD in terms of A. If the base would have been D, then ABC value in terms of D. Like that, okay? So simple question. So last part of the exercise. So these are again totally different type of question. Okay, totally different type of question. So how to proceed this type of question? Number 14, number 1. Number 14, number 1. 2 by 5 less than 2 by 5 less than log of 3 base 10. Log of 3 to the base 10 less than 1 by 2. This is the question. Now how should we do this type of question? Okay, so part by part you see. At first we will find this part and then we will find this part. Okay, so for finding this part, so what is the technique? This 10 you write here, left side, okay. This 3 you write here, 10 over here, 3 over here. Power of 10 will be what? Power of 10 will be like this, cross 2. Less than, you give less than. Power of 3 will be what? This cross over here 5. Now once you check it is correct or not. So 10 square is what? 100. 100 is less than 3 to the power 4 is 81. 81. 3 to the power 5 is what? 243. So yes, 100 is less than 243. So this is the starting way. Okay, this like this you have to start. So now what you will do? Now you have to empty this 3. This power 5 is not required. Okay, over here only 3 is there, so I will remove this power 5. So how I will do? Just now I have done na? In to the power 1 by 5, 1 by 5. So simple, how I can write 10, which implies 10 to the power 2 by what? 2 by 5 less than what? 3. Just now I have done 10 square 3 to the power 5 to the power 1 by 5 to the power 1 by 5. This way, then you will get what? Over here 2 by 5. Over here 5 cancel. You will get what? 3. So this line, okay, this line you write, okay. Say you can write, you write one line over here. We know 10 square is less than 3 to the power 5, okay. Understood? How you will write? You will write this 10 this side, 3 this side. Then the power of 10 will be cross 2. The power of 3 will be cross what? 5, okay. So now bring log both sides. What log? With base 10, okay, with base what? 10. So log base will be 10, 10 to the power 2 by 5 less than log base will be 10, 3, okay. So which implies, now if you want you can write over here, taking log with base 10 on both sides. Taking log with base 10 on both sides. So now 2 by 5 will come at front. This is what? Log of 10 base 10. And this is log 3 base 10. So this is what? 1. 10 base 10 is 1. So 2 by 5 is less than what? So equation 1. See, this part we have got. This part we have got, okay. Now let us go for the that part, left side part, okay. So this part now we will prove, okay. So again it's the same process, okay. Again we know, again this line will come, we know, again we know that, again, okay, this time 10 you will write that side, okay. The 10 was this side, first time. This time the 10 will go that side. Okay, 10 you will write this side, 3 you will write this side, less than is there, so you give less than. Okay, less than is there, so you give less than. Now, so what will be the power of 10? Cross what? 1. That means 10 only. Okay, what will be the power of 3? Cross 2. So over here 2. Once you verify whether it is correct or wrong. So 3 square is how much? 3 square is 9 and 9 is less than 10. So it is correct. Definitely it is correct. So 3 square is less than what? 10. Now what is the process? You have to make this 3 what? Empty, isn't it? So which implies 3 will be what? 10 to the power 1 by 2. Isn't it? Like over here 2 by 5. Over here 1 by 2. This 2 will go to the denominator 1 by 2. Like that. Okay. Then simple, bring logarithm on both sides with base 10, log 3 base 10 less than log, both sides bring log, okay, with base 10, then log 10 to the power 1 by 2. You write the same line, taking log with base 10 on both sides, same line you write, so which implies log this one, so which implies this is 2. This part also we have got. Now last from 1 and 2 what we will write? From 1 and 2 what will I write? See, logarithm is greater than this. That means 2 by 5 is what? Less than log of 3 base 10. And log of 3 base 10 is what? Less than this. So this is the answer. Simple but in a different way. Okay. So let us do one more question, then you will get the idea. Next is number 2. 1 by 4 log 2 base 10. 1 by 4 less than 1 by 3. Okay, solution. Again, same way we know that at first 10 you write this side, 2 you write this side only. Okay, less than you give. What will be the power of 10? 1. That means 10. What will be the power of 2? 4. Now next step, this 2 you have to make what? Empty. So this 4 will come over here what? To the power 1 by 4 and then less than 2. Take both side log with base what? 10. That is what? Log base is 10, then 10 to the power 1 by 4 less than log of what? 2 base 10. You write this line taking logarithm with base 10 on both sides. Okay. So which implies 1 by 4 log 10 base 10, 2 base 10. So 1 by 4. This is what equation 1. This part we have got. Similarly, so simple question, same technique, same way we will do. Question number 3 you can also do. So again this time 10 I will write that side. Okay. 2 I will write this side. Less than you give. What will be the power of 2? 3. Cross. What will be the power of 10? 1. So 10 only. So now I have to make this 2 empty. So 2, 10 to the power what? 1 by 3. Take log of 10 both sides. Same process, same, exactly same. Okay, over here you write again taking logarithm with base 10 on both sides. So from 1 and 2 what we will get? Okay, you write again, we know that. Okay, we know that. Okay, so now from 1 and 2 what we will get? you will get that 1 by 4 less than log 2 base 10 will be less than what? Less than 1 by 3. So we have got our answer. Understood? Simple question. If you have anything to ask regarding this question, you can ask, but overall the question is what? Same. Next one is also same, only what? The difference is that the base is what? 20. So start in the same process. Nothing to do with the base is 20, okay? So 1 by 3 less than log 3 base 20. One by 2. Solution. Okay, so again we know that 20 I will write this side, 3 I will keep this side, power of 20 will be 1 and power of 3 will be what? 3. Once you check, 20 is 3 cube is 27, so 20 is less than 27, correct? Okay. So now you have to make this 3 empty, so 20 to the power what? 1 by 3 is less than what? Log, sorry, not log of, is 3. So now take log, this time you take the base as what? 20, okay? This time since 20 is there, so you have to take the base as also what? 20. So 20 to the power 1 by 3 less than what? Log of 3 base 20. Now 1 by 3 will come from, this is 20 base 20. So 1 by 3 is less than log, this is what? Equation 1. Oh sorry, this is 20 not 10. This is 20, this is 20. So you have got this part. Similarly to the second part, only over here you write taking log with base 20 on both sides we get. Like this you write on with base what? 20 on both sides we get. Similarly now again you do this part, you will get the answer, okay? So with this our first exercise comes to an end, okay? Okay, so in the second exercise we will be discussing about logarithm and anti-logarithm, okay? So logarithm we have found out, but now we are going to find the value of the logarithm. Such numbers, say 20.463. So we are going to find the logarithm value of such numbers, okay? So let us see how to find this type of values. Yes, you will be required log table for that. So we will use log table. I will show you how to use the log table, okay? But most probably in the exam, log table will not be provided, okay? So there is a way to do such type of question also, but that is easy only. If log table is not given, then it is more easy. To solve with log table only it is difficult because the numbers are very small in the table, okay? So it gets pressure to your eye also. It gives very pressure to your eye, okay? So it is good in the exam actually. Logarithm is more good in the exam rather than in practice, okay? Because while practicing you have to see the log table, but in the question the value will be given directly. So it is easier in exam. So now let us see how to compute logarithm. Okay, in this exercise the base will be compulsorily 10. Common logarithm only, okay? So now two things you have to know at first, that is characteristics and next is what? Mantissa. Characteristics and what? Mantissa. These two things will stay together while finding logarithm, okay? Characteristics and mantissa. So say a number stays in what form? So you will say that over here integer number, then decimal point, then decimal number, or not? Integer number, decimal point, and that side is all decimal number. Like this, say 0.0000 like this. So when we talk about characteristics, we mean about this part, okay? And when we talk about this mantissa, we mean discussing about this decimal part. Understood? So this is what characteristics and this is what mantissa in simple thing, okay? characteristics means we are going to talk about integers, and mantissa means we are going to discuss about what? Decimal portion place. Okay, and always remember one thing, mantissa is always positive. Mantissa should be always positive. Whenever means your decimal portion place should always be positive. It cannot stay like that, minus 0.7632. Like this you cannot give any answer. You have to make your mantissa positive. So simple language you understand. Characteristics means we are going to discuss, or whenever I will say characteristics means we are talking about only the integer part, not the decimal part. Okay, and mantissa means the decimal part. Understood? Now there are several ways to find characteristics in the book. Also a method is given. So I am going to give you a very simple formula. So say two type of number you will get. One type of number is like that, say 47362.273, say like that. Okay. One another type of number you will get, but this integral part will not stay. Integer number will not stay. Say 0 point, and then like this number, say 0.463. This part is not there. Okay, so like this you will get one, you will get where you will have the integer part, and one you will have where you will not have the integer part. So when you will have this integer part, then to find the characteristics, we will use the formula of what? N minus 1. N is what? Number of the integer digits. Not this side, okay? This side. Number of the integer digits. N is the what? Number of integer digits. So over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 minus 1, your characteristics will be what? 4. Understood? And in such numbers where integer numbers are not there, only your decimal portion is there. So for those numbers, your characteristics formula minus of n plus 1. Okay, so what is this n? N is not the number of digits. Okay, remember, n is not the number of digits. N is number of zeros. What is n over here? N is number of zeros after the decimal point. After the decimal point. Okay, after the decimal point means not this side. Okay, so this way it will be incorrect. N is number of zeros between the decimal point, and the first significant digit. So what is n? N is the number of zeros between the decimal point and the first significant digit. So what is the first significant digit? 7 is the first significant digit over here. So between the decimal point and the first significant digit, say more numbers, 0.00, 0.00216007. So not these zeros, okay? Not this zero. Between the decimal point and the first significant digit, this will be your value of n. When such type of numbers will be given, your characteristics formula will be minus of n plus 1. And when integer number will be there, then simply n minus 1. N will be what? Number of integer digits over here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This. After decimal point, no need to count. Okay. So, then how to find the logarithm value? Now, whenever you will find the logarithm value, remember log values are written in this way. Say log of any number, say m. When you will find this, at first you will write what? At first you will have to write its characteristics, then plus mantissa. Then only you will get what? The value of the log. Understood? So this is how we will find. So in our next class we will start this. How to look the table, I will show to you how to look the table, and then we will start finding this. Okay, simply just remember today what is the formula for characteristics. Don't get confused. Okay, when integer numbers will be there, then n minus 1. And if zeros are there, okay, zeros may stay like this also. Okay, don't get confused. Say 476.0073. Now see, 0 is there, but since integer number is there, so our formula will be n minus 1. Okay, so directly we will find characteristics by those formulas only. Okay, and then Mentisa, how you will write? For that I will show you how to look the table. In exam, so table will not be given. Definitely the values will be given directly. So directly you can put the value on only characteristics you have to write. Okay. So today we will stop here. From our next class we will start this exercise. Looking the table is only the headache, and yes, calculations are more in this exercise. Okay. Difficulty is less, yes, but calculation is more. Difficulty is not there. Only characteristics. Mentisa should be positive. Find the characteristics. Yes, but difficulty level will be more. Understood? Okay, so today we will stop here. If you have any doubt regarding your first exercise, and you practice the examples. Any examples, answers are already given, but any example if you have not understood, just you say you page number, example number, you say, I will solve in the online class. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Thank you.